In 2012, the Guinness World Record for paper airplane distance was set by football quarterback Ayoob and airplane designer John Collins. They reached an incredible 226 feet, 10 inches in distance. Amazingly, that record was shattered in South Korea by Kim Kyu Tae, Shin and Chee Jian. The trio reached an astounding 253-foot throw. That's about the length of 3.5 school buses end-to-end, or more than 1.5 football fields. So what is their secret? Welcome to the channel. I hope you find my content valuable. If you do, consider letting me know by liking, subscribing, and leaving a comment. According to sourcefoldandfly.com, unfortunately the latest record-breaking plane design is a closely guarded secret. Given the competitive nature of these record-breaking paper airplanes, I don't blame them. But there is one secret to record-breaking airplanes we did discover, something you might not have thought of in your own quest to make the best paper airplane. According to GuinnessWorldRecords.com, both the current record holders and the previous record holders used one of the highest quality, stiffest papers around, the Conqueror CX-22-100 GSM. We did a little digging, and it looks like currently a ream of 500 will set you back a good $71.95 US. Highlights include luxurious correspondence and smear ink-free absorption. It might be hard to find, but fortunately, there are some very strong alternative papers now with the same qualities. If you want to take your paper airplane game to the next level, check out the perfect paper in the video description. To read more about the world record holders, check out the sources linked in the video description. Cheers, and thanks for watching.